Alexa, who are you voting for?
Well, quite frankly, I don't think bots should influence elections.
Ooh.
For information on how people can vote, visit turbovote.org.
I think you got jokes now. Was that even a joke? That's not even funny. That's actually a serious thing. All right, so Amazon has finally landed on my channel and I want to test out their new speakers that they have because I do have 3 of them, mainly for just listening to music. This one particularly in the shower, but these are the 2 new ones that they have. I almost never keep an Echo Dot because it's just so weak. And I've just always kept this original one because I really like the spinning dial on the top. But let's go ahead and see if Echo Dot has improved at all or if it's still a very weak speaker, which I assume it is. Got a pull tab here on the top. So for once, also they are doing a circular or spherical design than a cylinder that they have been doing in the past. It's actually quite heavy. It actually feels pretty light. Hello. Hola. Bonjour. Get a nice power adapter. As per usual on this channel. Oh my goodness. It smells like really nice fabric. Like I'm walking into Bath and Body Works. Oh, it smells so refreshing, like clean laundry, but like cleaner than normal. It smells so good. So this is a really small speaker. Let me get this plugged in real quick. Goes in this hole, right? Okay, wrong hole. Don't want to say that out loud. All right, while this one is getting booted up, I want to, ooh, that light is definitely more vibrant. While that one is getting booted up, I already know it's gonna tell me to start syncing up with my Alexa app. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the big boy that might replace my 3rd generation or maybe my 1st generation, because this one is, it's getting quite old. Oh, this is a big boy. Oops. Well, you know I can't grab a basketball with one hand, that's for sure. Hola.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Hey, honestly, Alexa might have to go to French after hearing that. That was nice. So on the bottom of this device as well, I noticed that there is a mounting hole here and it is a built-in smart home hub with Zigbee. So that's also really nice if you want this to double as your smart home hub as well as a speaker. But look at the size difference. Okay, let me get this set up real quick with my phone. Oh, I can set up more than one. Already this one sounds way better. Are you serious? I gotta type my password. This one smells so good too. It smells so fresh. Amazon, 10 out of 10 on the smell. So I've been on this screen for a while now, so I'm going to quit my app real quick.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. For help, go to your Alexa app.
Amazon, why is this so difficult? Wait, why is this one purple? Amazon, is it supposed to take this long? It's taking quite some time. You would think a $1 trillion company that has made plenty of smart home devices would have a seamless setup process. I can't even search for my devices anymore. Device is not plug it out, plug it back in. I'm gonna go get a laptop. I almost never have problems when I do it over the computer, so I'm just gonna do it on the computer. App is useless. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm dealing with right now. So we can explore this together. So I'm gonna click on Echo here, and this is the big Echo right here. So it says this. I'm gonna hit continue. Gonna hit continue again. Connect your computer to your Echo. I'm just gonna click on this one. Doesn't even say if it's the Echo or the Echo Dot. It just says Amazon. It's cool. Connect to the select my Wi-Fi from here.
Your Echo is ready.
See how easy that was with the computer? Now fix that with your app. All right, now that I finally set up my devices over the computer because the app is, I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys around the devices, how the controls work and the lighting as well. So if you click this button right here, it will actually show a red ring on the bottom and it'll show a red light at the top to show that it's muted. I actually like this design, how the light's on the bottom because it's reflecting and it gives it like almost like a futuristic narrative to it, whereas on this one it's just a white light at the top. I don't have much cable space, but for my overhead camera, this is essentially what it looks like. The one thing I love about this one is just controlling the volume with this ring up here. That's what I really like about the original Echo and the Echo Plus. So for this, you unfortunately, kind of like on the third generation, there are buttons. You just press down. That is so loud. I will hope I do not get a noise complaint. As you can see on the top here, you can clearly see the microphone holes. But with these two, where are the microphones? It has to be like within this mesh. That's the only way it makes sense. That's the only, I think I can see it. One's right here. One's right here. One's right here. One's right here. But for sure, they're within this mesh. Can you mount this one? Nope. What music am I gonna play? I'm just gonna play the music I play when I shower. If I get copyright strike, oh well. All right, let me try out this one first. So let me max the volume on here. My floor was vibrating. That is so loud. I'm coming, Dot, but I gotta compare it to my original bathroom one. All right, so now I'm going to test out all 4 speakers. So let's start off the table. Sorry, my volume wasn't at 100% on my phone. Let me try again. And go. Okay, that's good, but trust me, you will notice a difference when I go to this one. Trust me. Oh my gosh. This one was good, but it's gotten weak over the years. That's why it's in my bathroom. All right, next up is the Dot. The Dot. Will you blow me away? Probably not. Ooh, that rhymed. There was no bass when the drums came in. Listen, for audiobooks, if you just need to get the news, hear voices, want to speak to Alexa, or use it for your kid, get the Dot. For music, stay away. Stay very far away. Last but not least, the big boy, the one that's trying to replace my predecessors. Let me go back to this one. Okay. Okay. First of all, you did your job. You know who your target audience is for this one. You might get retired. There's just something about this one that I like more. For one, it can fit in a lot more places, but the sound coming from here sounds like it's coming from everywhere in like all directions. Whereas in this one, it still sounds better than this one, but the sounds just primarily sound like it's coming from this mesh area right here. I know there's sound coming back from here, obviously, but it really just primarily sounds like the direction of where this is where the noise is going to be. Whereas this one really does feel like I can hear it all around the entire device, if that makes sense. It's really hard to explain. Alexa, who are you voting for?
Well, quite frankly, I don't think bots should influence elections.
Ooh.
For information on how people can vote, visit turbovote.org.
I think you got jokes now. Was that even a joke? That's not even funny. That's actually a serious thing. Alexa, why are you a sphere?
Here's something I found on the web. According to blurted.com, a sphere is a round solid figure with a plane on which all ends are an equivalent distance from the center. Did that answer your question?
No.
Thanks for your feedback.
Google Assistant is still the best. Anyway, there's something about this one. It's just more clear. It just feels like this one has more. Ooh, this feels comfortable in the hand too. This one just feels, not feels. This one sounds like it just has more bass. Like I can hear Alexa's diaphragm when she's talking with this one. Whereas this one, it really doesn't. It sounds like a. There's just no deep bass to it. There's no deep tones. It's not as deep as this one, is what I'm trying to say. I have to look online to see if they added a subwoofer, an extra one. I'll double check that online. But in terms of clarity, like I said, I feel like if you have the third generation, you're fine. There's no need of upgrading. If you have like a first generation, hey, it might be time to upgrade to this one. But if you don't have any Alexa products or Echoes, I would say start off with this one. If you can find this one at a good price renewed, snag it before someone else does. Otherwise, go ahead and get you this one. I really do like this bottom light now. But with all that being said, guys, hopefully you did enjoy the video. That's my thoughts and I guess quick review on the Echo product by Amazon. No bass at all whatsoever. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and as always, guys, much love. I wonder which one will respond to me if I say the name. Alexa.